You've installed an automated coating line, but production just isn't hitting the numbers you expected. Surprisingly, the bottleneck is rarely in the spraying section itself. It's usually hiding in the little things. Can pre-treatment keep up? It's a long process with a fixed cycle time. If it falls behind, your spray booth ends up waiting around empty. Is your curing oven running at full capacity? That oven burns gas whether it's full or empty. If parts aren't feeding in steadily, you're wasting heat and time. Are you running out of hangers? Once all the hangers are on the line, the loading station comes to a halt. One missing link stalls the whole system. Do you have enough people at loading and unloading? Even the most automated line needs hands at both ends. Short staff there, and the whole rhythm breaks. Think of your line as a chain. It's only as fast as its weakest link. Find that one constraint. Make a small investment to fix it, and your overall output will jump. Where does your line get stuck? Drop a comment. Let's troubleshoot together.
摘要 Together we color the world.